Hello dear students, myself Dr. Padmaja Gore from Department of Pharmacology, Progressive Education Societies, Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigdi, Pune. In my today's lecture, I am going to tell you the details about clinical data management. Now coming to the definition, what is clinical data management? Clinical data management is a critical phase in clinical research which leads to generation of high quality, reliable and statistically sound data from clinical trials. This helps to achieve a drastic reduction in the time from drug development to marketing. Team members of clinical data management are actively involved in all stages of clinical trial right from inception to the completion. They should have adequate process knowledge that helps to maintain the quality standards of clinical data management process. Various procedures are involved in clinical data management including case report form designing, case report form annotation, database designing, data entry, data validation, discrepancy management, medical coding, data extraction and database locking. These all the systems are assessed for quality at regular interval during a trial. In the present scenario, there is an increased demand to improve the CDM standards to meet the regulatory requirements and stay ahead of the competition by means of faster commercialization of the product. With the implementation of regulatory complaint data management tools, CDM team can meet these demands. Additionally, it is becoming mandatory for companies to submit the data electronically. CDM professionals should meet appropriate expectations and set standards for data quality and also have a drive to adapt to the rapidly changing technology. What are the purposes and needs of clinical data management? Clinical data management provides clean data in usable format in timely manner. It also provides a database fit for managing clinical data. It delivers clean and high quality database for statistical analysis. It also provides consistent, accurate and valid clinical data. It supports accuracy of final conclusions and reports. Then what are the various processes involved in clinical data management? So they include data management plan development, that is abbreviated as DMP, study setup, training, data collection, data processing, monitoring data quality and data safety, data storage, security, data archive. So these are all the things to be mainly considered in clinical data management process. Now we will see one by one. First is clinical management plan or data management plan. In other words, we can also call it as clinical data management plan. Data management plan should be developed for each study and yearly during the setup of the study. It should describe all the components of data management process. Responsible staff should review and agree with data management plan to make sure a consistent approach to the process and guidelines. Then comes study setup. Study setup includes case report form, that is CRF design, CRF completion guidelines, trial database setup, validation checks. Then is a training. Effective training will ensure the following advantages, that is compliance with regulatory standards, performance effectiveness, and also a job satisfaction of clinical data management staff. Training content requirements are consistency across all training materials, and there should be consistently conveyed by instructors. Then is a data collection. Clinical data capture at study sites. For data collection, case report form is used and electrical data capture system is also used. There are good clinical practice requirements for data collection. All clinical data trial information should be recorded, handled and stored in a way that allows its accurate reporting, interpretation and verification. Data processing. In data processing, the points to be considered are data processing workflow at DM center, data receipt, CRF checking, data review, data coding, data entry, data validation and query management. Monitoring of data quality and safety. For monitoring the data quality and safety, following points are considered like progress reports, frequency of reports, recruitment reports, overdue sites, that is also called as a FU report, site monitoring visits, training and retraining staff and also auditing. Next point in clinical data management is data storage. Security, efficient and accessible storage of clinical data is very important. Original data collected must be protected and stored in secure areas with controlled access. Clinical data is stored in a way that backup copies can be easily and frequently made. Data storage will minimize opportunity for data corruption via accidental and intentional manipulation. Coming to the data security, keep identifying data in separate place and restrict access to this data. Make sure that only subject ID links to the database. Qualified personnel is hired for the management and modifications. Copy of data cannot be distributed without investigator's consent. So these are the points are considered in security purpose. Next is data archive. It means maintenance of documents, of all documents and electronic records to ensure their raw formats. Archive clinical data and documents in secure and stable areas are placed. Now coming to the very important point of the chapter, that is roles and responsibilities of clinical data management personnel. They coordinate CRF design as pre-established standards and applicable protocol. Build, test and validate clinical database. They should execute SOPs, departmental guidelines and data standards to guarantee database quality control and data management activities. They should guarantee that user acceptance testing, data transfer requirements and deployment of clinical trial sites are well defined. They should develop, code and test non-complex data management work products such as data entry, screens and database tables. They should manage and track case reports from flow and input required data. They should enter and compile the data to generate and develop summary reports and graphics. So these were some of the references. Thank you.